Welcome back to the channel, guys. What a morning. I set my alarm for the car boot sale and my phone does this brilliant thing where if it updates through the night it just knocks itself off, which you think is fine because the alarm would still go off, but no, the alarm didn't go off. I woke up, I was like, oh, looks light outside. Tried to knock the phone on, nothing. I was like, oh no, panic mode set in. Looked at my watch, 7:45. Car boot sale starts at 8:30 at Cockermouth, which is 25 minutes from me, and I had to pick my friend up on the way. So I darted out, got dressed, darted out, made it in time, but honestly there's that little sellers there that I can't really get any footage, because by the time I get footage there I'd lose time getting the stuff because there's resellers there and there's not many sellers. But I picked up 2 items, so I spent £15 total, including the £2 entry fee, and they're definitely quality over quantity. So the first items we've got, these 2 bad boy speakers. They are massive. Look at the size of them. My head is huge. These are far bigger. So these are the acoustic relay 18s. So I do need a wipe. The speaker condition's not great. I will give them a test, but I'll pop on screen here, hopefully, because my editing skills are getting better, how much they go for, spares and repairs. I paid £8 for them. I asked the seller how much the speakers were, and she said £5 each. I was like, £5 each? You're not going to buy a pair of speakers separately, are you? So I offered her £8 because I didn't know the condition if they worked, and she was happy to accept. And then on another stall, I thought she was a reseller. I had a reseller right next to me who buys a lot, so I don't know why you didn't buy this, to be honest. Maybe because you see the condition of the box. The condition of the box, it's really not great. But if we look inside, Audio Technica turntable it is. Let's have a look inside. Again, it smells. Nah. It doesn't smell great. Look at that. Brand new. I'm opening it all up, make sure it is brand new. So, to me, it's definitely brand new. I was looking and I thought, oh, I wonder what she wants for this, because I have sold one of these before. So I asked the question, how much? £5. 5 Great British pounds. I'll pop up on screen here. I hope, I'm just looking like an absolute knob. Scratch that. I think I'll get 130 quid for this, and maybe 60 for the speakers. So I spent £15 before fees. I think I'll get £190 return. So great, this lighting in here. So sorry I couldn't get a video of the car boot, but if anyone goes, you completely understand it's not great. Like, if it was a bigger car boot, I could video and I'd have time and all the stuff wouldn't have gone, all the stuff that I could resell. But with this one, there's like 7-8 stalls, maybe 2 people that aren't traders. So you've just got to get there. I did have a little clip of a PlayStation 3 that was there, and I'll pop that in. So I've got 4 sales from over the weekend. Nothing to shout home about. I'm not going to be a millionaire until this time next year. I'll pop that on to the end of the video. But in fact, let's get out to the garage and we'll go and look at the sales. Right, need something to cover that window. Here we are in the the bomb site there is the garage. Let's go through these sales. So the first sale, I auctioned off a load of items midweek. I should have really took a midweek video of the sales. One of the buyers didn't pay until Friday for this jacket, this Tom Jules small jacket. I think I paid £2-3 for this. But when you run an auction, you usually run them at a loss. Well, in my case, you definitely run them at a loss because I am stupid. So I start all my items at £2.99, and then I'm meant to add the postage on. So if it only sells for £2.99, I've got the postage as well. So say I put £2.99 free postage, and then the item only sells for £2.99. eBay will take their fees, 50p say, and then I've got to pay £3 postage. Yeah, well, I done that on 4 items, so I've paid someone like 50-60p to take my item. Well, we like to say there's no mistakes in the reselling game, there's only learning, but I'm guaranteed to do it again because I am an idiot. So this one sold for £4.75 plus the postage. I actually remember to put the postage on this one. So I've probably not made anything at all. But it gets it out of the bomb site that is this garage. The next sale, I pay £5 for these, I think. £5.75. I don't know if they're in a video. Levi's 501. Look brand new, really. 38-34. So some big boy pants. Probably fit my brother like. Maybe a bit long on the leg and a bit short on the waist. Woohoo! Yeah, £21.99. Free postage, so probably like £15 in my bank. I think you may see these. I think you may have seen on the video. I couldn't decide if they were girls or boys, men's or women's. I think it's a woman that's bought them, so they must be women's. Size 30 waist, Jaded London, brand new with tags. Poster grey tailored shorts. They sold for £24.99, free postage. So £18 in my bank. I think I paid a tenner for them. Which £8 profit sounds terrible, but when you look at it as 80% return on your money, no Bank of England's given that. Maybe give you it on your mortgage. And then the last sale, as I say, I ain't making millions. I'm not going out to buy a Lamborghini after this. For £12.99, brand new, don't know if you can see that, Coronation Street mug. When you tip it up, it plays the Coronation theme tune, Coronation Street theme tune. £12.99. Imagine having a cuppa with David Platt, Gail Platt, Steve McDonald. Steve McDonald. That could also be my brother's real dad. Same airline. Yeah, £12.99. These are just the sort of things that keep the shop ticking over, keep the algorithm going. Because I don't know if you know this, the more you list on eBay, like regularly, the algorithm pushes the customers towards you. So if I had 100 items and you had 100 of the same items and we priced them the exact same, I listed all 100 in a day, but you listed 10 items every day for 10 days, you're more likely to sell them than I am from listing 100 in a day. It's just bizarre how it works, and yeah, it's crazy. So I think it's a short video, short and sweet. Episode 7. I've been Ryan of Raw Collectibles. Please leave a like and subscribe. Over and out. Thank you very much.